Hey, it's Noe with WTI, and if you're ready to ditch the cords and make vacuuming a whole lot easier, but don't want to sacrifice the quality or runtime, then check out this cordless vacuum from DIFFULL. One of my favorite things about this vacuum is its runtime. It was very easy to charge, and once fully charged, I was able to vacuum my entire house without having to recharge it. In our home, we have laminate, tile, and carpet. And this vacuum works great on all those surfaces. I absolutely love that I can do the stairs very easily. It has a setting of low, medium, and high. I found that I used the low setting the most, but I felt that the suction or power quality is amazing on this vacuum. I love the screen because it makes it very easy to see how much battery life is left. This vacuum has a great filter and was very easy to maneuver under furniture or around corners, or even in confined spaces. And I think it's great that the vacuum comes with several different attachments. So if you want to use it as an upright stick vacuum, you can, but you can easily change the attachments to make it much smaller or to be able to clean up a hard to reach spot. I think it's great that this is lightweight, which makes it very easy to take from room to room. So if you're looking for a quality cordless vacuum that has great power and suction and a great battery life, then I would highly recommend this cordless vacuum from DIFFULL. And that's my point of view.